Hello, I'm Willie. I'm here today with Joe, and I'm here to show you how to look like you can cook when it's possible that you might not be able to. On Valentine's Day, which is a day of love. The sexiest ingredient is garlic. And I'll tell you for why. If you're trying to impress someone, garlic tastes good. They're probably not going to care that much about their breath anyway. Also, if you're already in a relationship, doesn't matter if you taste like garlic. You shouldn't be able to keep your hands off one another anyway if you're together. So garlic is the sexiest ingredient. Okay, so I guess one simple hack for if you are shit at cooking and you need to try and look like you're good at cooking would be to do a steak. And I think the moment that you get like some rosemary, some garlic, some thyme, and you throw it in with the butter and start basting it, doesn't really matter what's going on. You look like you know what you're doing. And that's what's most important. I've been converted to the art of using MSG, which is something that terrifies elderly people and racist people who don't know anything about food. But yeah, MSG, monosodium glutamate, is something that elevates the flavour of a lot of sort of East Asian dishes. If you've got it, just sprinkle it in. It looks a bit like but you know, just pop some of that in and it'll make it taste nice. So one super cheap meal that you can make that always bangs is chili oil noodles. So what you do is you get your noodles, you cook them, and then you heat up a neutral oil, not olive oil, because it's expensive and it's got a real flavour to it. So you want sort of like a vegetable oil, maybe a sunflower oil, and you get loads of nice things, spring onions, a little bit of red onion, maybe some grated garlic, some chili, put it all in a bowl, maybe some peppercorns in there, definitely some MSG, maybe some ginger, coriander as well, also nice. Get the oil really hot, pour that over the oil, mix it together, mix it through the cooked noodles. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, tasty cheap noodles. If someone held you at gunpoint and said, you've got to make a date meal right now, first, I'd hope that that person wasn't the person that I was having a date with. And secondly, I'd say, make garlic and chili prawns and then buy a nice bit of bread, French bread or sourdough from the shops. Go to a fishmonger, don't buy packet prawns. They're cheaper if you buy them with the shells on from a fishmonger. Give them a rinse, chuck them in, garlic, chili, olive oil, that's it, bread.